Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Temu account if you forgot your password. If you can't log in because you forgot your password, don't panic. Here's how to reset it fast. First of all, open Temu app on your iPhone and then tap sign in. You can either continue with Apple, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. And then what you are gonna do is click on forgot password and then enter the email or phone number linked to your Temu account. Then tap next. Temu will send you verification code. Check your email or SMS, then enter the code in the app. What you're gonna do is you will have to create a new strong password. Use a mix of letter, numbers and symbols and confirm it. After that, tap reset or log back in, and that's it. Privacy tip: don't reuse old passwords or share your new ones with anyone. Enable two-step verification if Temu offers for extra protection. Quick fix: if you don't get the reset code, check your spam or junk folder or tap resend code after 60 seconds. If nothing arrives, try using your alternate login method like phone instead of email. And that's it. Subscribe for more